In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out and check in content in InCopy Assignments. If you collaborate with a design or editorial team, knowing how to check out and check in content is essential. It keeps everyone in sync, prevents accidental overwrites, and makes sure the right person is editing at the right time. Today, I'll walk you through a clean, reliable workflow so you can work confidently in shared files. Start by launching Adobe InCopy. Once the application is open, go ahead and open the document you need to work on. This might be a file linked to an InDesign layout or an assignment package that your team has shared with you. Either way, you'll be able to see which parts of the document are available for editing. Before we move on, a quick note about what checking out means. When you check out a story, you're essentially placing a lock on that content. That lock says, "I'm editing this now," which prevents others from making changes at the same time. It's a simple step that saves a lot of confusion later. To access your assignments, head to the menu bar and choose View. From there, click Assignments. This opens the Assignments panel, which is your control center for managing what you edit and when. Now choose the exact piece you want to work on. Click on the story or frame you want to edit. A story is the text content itself, while a frame is the container on the page. Selecting it in the Assignments panel helps InCopy understand which content you intend to control. At the bottom of the Assignments panel, click the Checkout icon. It looks like a person's silhouette with a checkbox behind it. Alternatively, you can right-click the item and select Checkout. Once checked out, you'll be able to edit the text freely, and your teammates will see that it's locked to you. When you're finished and ready to hand the content back to the team, the process is just as straightforward. In the Assignments panel, highlight the same story you were working on. Then click the Check-in icon at the bottom of the panel, or right-click and choose Check-in. This releases the lock and updates the shared assignment so others can take over or the layout can be finalized. That's the full cycle. Launch InCopy, open your document, go to View, and open Assignments, select your story or frame, check it out to edit, and when you're done, highlight it and check it back in. Keep this rhythm, and your collaborative workflow will stay smooth and conflict-free.